We are going to make a broccoli crust pizza, a healthy pizza that's easy to make. First, let's make our own pesto. Add a quarter cup of pine nuts in 2 cups of basil. Add 1 garlic clove. Add 1/3 cup of olive oil. Add 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Process to the desired consistency. Now we are going to make the broccoli pizza crust. Finely chop 12 ounces of broccoli florets. Cover and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Add 75 grams of fresh Parmesan cheese. Add 3 garlic cloves. Add 90 grams of mozzarella cheese. Add half cup of almond flour and 1 egg. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. Mixing the crust will take some time, but keep at it. I have been using this pizza stone for 17 years, but it has aged well. Place the parchment paper onto the pizza stone. The broccoli mixture onto the pizza stone and spread it evenly. Bake for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare the toppings. Start with 1 avocado. Slice the mozzarella and avocado. Top the crust with the pesto mix. Add the slices of mozzarella and 1 cup of arugula. Add a quarter of a medium red onion and the avocado slices. Squeeze a half lemon on top. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe for more contents like this.